Alright, so we got a big old hole in the wall where plumber came and cut, and at least he cut it in a nice square. You can see they did the repair on the pipe here. So now what do? Well, you could get a piece of drywall and try to patch that, or you can go to Home Depot and for about 15 bucks you can buy this, which is basically a piece of plastic with a spring on the back. And the spring will allow you to use this as a door. And here's how it works. Take the little tab sign over here, push, and put it in like that. Now I added some weather stripping because it doesn't sit perfectly flush to this wall. The wall is either bowed or I think it's there's this block of wood here that's forcing this out. So that'll keep the air from coming up from the wall to the room. But that's it, and that's your fix. So that's a pretty simple fix. So if you have any questions about this, just put them in the comments below, and if this helped you, give it a like and try to help somebody else.